Okay, now I'm just on my laptop. Okay, let me share the Microtech, my home Microtech that I've got here, and I'm going to attempt to do a live demo. Okay, let's try. There it is, share, and I hope you can see the Microtech interface. It should be popping up any time now. There we go. Okay, so these are the cues on the Microtech. You might not be that familiar with Microtech. That's okay. These are the priorities. I've got VoIP in my first priority, VPN on my priority over here. That's customized priorities that I put on. Then there's normal. Normal is, for example, this particular stream. You can actually see it's actually going through this prioritization over here of number 3. And then streaming, that should be the TV behind me and YouTube, etc., so that this stream can keep going. And let me try and prove it. All right, let me go back here and we hit play. Okay. Oh, all right, let me turn the volume down a tad. Okay, I've muted it. Notice on the streaming, that's where we expect to see the bandwidth. Let me fast forward a bit so that it's not in cache, so it has to download. Let's have a look what happens on the shaping on the Microtech. 6.3 megs, you can see that that is now falling into the priority, but it won't affect my actual business call with you if Google Meets. And there you go. It's busy doing its thing, and it does get the bandwidth. Oh, sorry. Keep unmuting it. There is that. And I'm going to show you. So technically, any of the TVs in the house will fall into that streaming over there. Also, I want to show you that YouTube is much the same. Let me switch the smart TV to YouTube. Okay. Where are you? There we go. YouTube. Don't you want to start playing for us? Let's just fast forward. And hit play, and we again, there you go, under streaming 8.4, it's building up a cache, and that falls into the lower priority. And all the lower priority includes Facebook video, WhatsApp video, YouTube obviously falls into that. That's why our internet always feels fast and responsive, no matter how many streams are going. What actually will happen if there's too many streams and not enough bandwidth, the resolution of the streams just drops. And there you go. So I've demonstrated the saturation. I want to quickly show you the firewall component. Oh, by the way, here is the list that is used for the shaping. You can see that there's 2,820 IPs. This gets updated every 5 minutes to the Microtech. And these are the low priority IPs made out of my household. Obviously, we don't send all of Netflix's IP to every Microtech. It's based on what are the streaming IP connections made in this house, so it only shapes down those ones. And it's exactly the same for the kill list. The kill list is where it kills off the hacker connections or any connections that we don't want due to time-based rules, potentially 8 o'clock, etc. And here we've got 278. And it's quite simple how the Microtech blocks that. It's all under the firewall rule. And here I've got the kill based on that particular destination list. So that's where it will connect or kill them if we don't want them. And that's where the IPS gets killed. And anything in contradiction to the policy, an IP of that, so it says no Netflix and it sees Netflix, it then sends that IP to that Microtech within 5 minutes to block the connection. So yes, that's it. I've shown you how it keeps it fast, how to keep it safe, and how to keep it secure, and you've got visibility.